Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get free games on Steam. You can legally get free games on Steam in several ways. So firstly you need to open your Steam browser. And what you need to do is once you get into this interface, in the top there's this category. You need to select this category and this menu appears here. So over here we can find this free to play icon. You need to select this free to play. So over here, you'll find there's tons of games as well. You can scroll a bit down. You can find all of the games that are free to play. And you can select one of the games. Simply double click. And over here, scroll a bit down. And you can also select play game or you can also add to library. And that is it. This is how you can get free games on Steam and you can play it on free as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.